Let's take a moment to explore castor oil and the potential it holds for your skin. Often referred to as nature's version of Botox, it has truly proven itself over time. This oil has been used for millennia by the Egyptians, the Romans, and many ancient cultures that valued its healing powers. One major question often raised is whether we should be worried about the toxic compound ricin in castor oil. Interestingly, ricin is estimated to be 6,000 times more toxic than cyanide, and about 12,000 times more toxic than rattlesnake venom. So let's dive deeper into the benefits of castor oil. It's known for providing skin with a smooth, radiant, supple, and toned appearance. Whether you're dealing with slight fine lines, deeper wrinkles, or simply dry skin, castor oil might be just what you need. The key compound responsible for these powerful effects is ricinoleic acid, a highly moisturizing agent that deeply penetrates the skin and retains moisture, keeping your skin well hydrated. That's why many people apply castor oil to their face before bed and wake up pleasantly surprised by how refreshed and improved their skin looks in the morning. It's also beneficial for your hair. I'll explain shortly how to apply it both on the scalp and hair strands. If you suffer from dry or damaged hair, you might notice significant improvements very quickly. What's more, this natural chemical has strong anti-inflammatory abilities. So, applying castor oil to inflamed skin can be an effective way to reduce irritation. Additionally, castor oil exhibits antimicrobial properties. Keep in mind, your skin is covered in a layer of microorganisms that play a vital role in protecting you from harmful invaders. Many skin problems stem from an imbalance or overgrowth of bacteria, yeast, or fungi, and castor oil offers a natural way to counteract these issues. Since acne often includes a bacterial component, castor oil may also help alleviate breakouts. It's also a source of vitamin E, which helps shield the skin from harmful elements like UV rays and pollution. Some of the substances in castor oil may even support wound healing. Plus, it has ingredients that can fade dark spots, promoting a more even skin tone. Castor oil also contains beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which benefits the skin. In addition, it offers minerals like magnesium and potassium that can nourish the skin. There's even evidence that castor oil may help boost collagen production, crucial for maintaining youthful skin and fighting signs of aging. If you have scars, whether from acne, stretch marks, or other causes, you might consider massaging a few drops of castor oil into the affected area daily for 30 seconds or so. Its anti-inflammatory power has been compared to medications like ibuprofen. So, how should you use it? Many people mix it with other oils such as coconut or olive oil. You can combine it with any number of oils, depending on your preferences. Others prefer using castor oil in its pure form. Just remember, it's quite thick and a little sticky. All you need are a few drops applied with your fingertips and gently rubbed into your face, particularly in areas that are dry, wrinkled, red, or irritated. Considering the small amount used daily, just a few cents worth, it's an affordable way to improve your skin. It's best to apply it at night, allowing time for it to fully absorb while you sleep. If you're pregnant, be cautious when applying castor oil to your belly or pelvic area, as it may stimulate labor. Some women also use it to remove makeup, often mixing it with lotions or other products. This not only helps with cleansing but also adds skin benefits. When using it for hair, especially if you're facing hair loss, it's recommended to massage it thoroughly into the scalp. Doing so might promote hair growth, especially in cases like alopecia. Apply a few drops to your fingertips and work it into your entire head before bedtime for deeply hydrated, revitalized hair by morning. As for the best type of castor oil to purchase, go for cold-pressed and hexane-free varieties. Hexane is a chemical solvent used in many seed oils, so avoiding it is a healthier option. You'll often find hexane in oils like soy, corn, cottonseed, and canola. Many people swear by Jamaican black castor oil, which is known for its particularly potent effects compared to standard versions. If you're aiming for longer, healthier lashes, applying a small amount of castor oil to the lash roots daily can lead to noticeable changes over time. Now, back to the concern about ricin. Rest assured, during the manufacturing process of castor oil, this dangerous toxin is removed. Producers are fully aware of its risks and rigorously test the final product to ensure it's safe. Of course, in cases of ricin exposure, there is no easy cure. Immediate medical attention is necessary. Even small amounts can be lethal within 36 to 72 hours. Fortunately, this isn't a concern when using properly processed castor oil. It's truly amazing how something so toxic in one form can be incredibly therapeutic in another. It's a fascinating contrast. Thank you for watching my video and supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. On my channel, you'll find the best tips for taking care of yourself, your skin, and your hair.